Hey guys, today I'm going to be cutting this really cool holographic foil type HTV. I just wanted to go ahead and show you exactly how to do it. So this is the Paper Studio brand. It's a little bit different than the Cricut brand. If you watched the previous video, which is how to cut pattern heat transfer vinyl, this is different than that. So I just wanted to make sure I cleared things up before you did cut any holographic foil. So for this one, unlike the paper or pattern transfer vinyl, you want to put this on so the pattern is facing down. So go ahead and put that on your mat again so the pattern is facing down. And this one, you're going to want to mirror the image. So this is the image that we will be cutting. Make sure mirror is checked right over here. And we can go ahead and put this into our Cricut. Feed it in there. And then let's go to our machine here and click continue. And then up on top on the left here, it's gonna ask me what material I am cutting. And that's where I can change it. Chances are it's probably on iron-on because that was the last one I used. Yep, so it is on iron-on. So go ahead and click Browse Materials. And you're going to want to type in Holographic. It's hard to type with one hand. And there we go. There's a whole list of all these different holographic things. You're going to want to click on the Holographic Iron-On. So go ahead and click that. And this just makes sure that you have sorry, it's actually Holographic Sparkle Iron-On. Forgot I'm doing the sparkle one. This just makes sure that you have enough pressure to cut all the way through on your image. So again, mirror image is on, Holographic Sparkle Iron-On, images upside down and ready to go. It's threaded in here right. Go ahead and click cut and that will cut it for you. Okay, so once you have your image cut and weeded like you would normal HTV, you can go ahead and put it on your shirt. My machine's beeping at me because it's preheated. Okay, so you're going to want to put it on at 375 for 25 to 30 seconds. So we are just going to set this a little bit higher, and you're going to want to use medium pressure. I have it on 74. So go ahead and press it. This is a little bit higher, they're longer than I am used to pressing with, so it'll be interesting to see. So go ahead and wait for that to press on, and I can show you the next step. Okay, so after that's pressed, go ahead and pop it up. And this one is a little bit interesting, different than any other one that I've done. It wants you to flip it over and press for the same amount on the other side. And you actually don't need anything on here because your image is between the shirt and the pad. So go ahead and do that for another 25 seconds. Once your timer goes off, flip your image or flip your shirt. And this is actually a cool peel, so we're gonna wait a few minutes while this cools off and then we're gonna peel it off. So we'll just set that over here for now and come back to it in a couple minutes. Now that that's been sitting for a few minutes, we're going to peel it off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Looks like it's stuck pretty good. And I love that. It's going to be going on some like tie-dye short, or with some tie-dye shorts, so pretty cool looking.